Asawang Filipina, and today is we're gonna drive, so it's mountain driving again, and it was dark. I just arrived from San Carlos City doing my nails, so here's my nails now. So I got a sponsor with this, so thank you for my... Hi again everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again, Asawang Filipina, and today's video is I'm gonna upload driving videos. And today I was in the salon today doing my nails, so I have a sponsor of my nails and also some of my gears. It's one of my subscribers, so thank you so much for that. And then also to you guys that love driving videos, so consider joining to the membership. Then I can also use the money for the loafer shoes or any types of shoes, high heels, so that I can do more driving videos to you. And then for now is I'm gonna upload driving videos in my regular channel. I'm gonna upload a short video, longer videos I'm gonna upload it to the membership. So I hope to see you there. So it's about more on driving videos, all about driving. So the membership is all about driving level 3. So you just click the level 3 in the membership, and then of course I have a video, reviewing video, loafers, high heels, so you can watch it there. So I hope to see you there. So but for now, enjoy watching. Bye. For now, enjoy watching. So thank you all for watching. Bye. Thank you all for watching. Bye.